Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share my go-to powder foundation makeup look with you all. You know, I do tend to wear my makeup more on the natural side, and call me weird, I love powder foundation. I love powder products. You know, I feel it's all about what you put on your, like for your skincare, you know, because I feel even dry skin, you know, you can wear powder. So I just wanted to share what powder foundation I use and what powder products I like to use to achieve a nice, everyday, yet put together, semi-glam makeup look. So yeah, if you want to you know, see what other videos I've made, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video, as well as leave any comments down below for videos that you would like to see, you know, me film. Isn't my shirt so cute? I'll stand up. It says, I'm a bird. I saw this at a cute little like boutique in downtown yesterday, and I wanted to get it, so figured it would make a cameo in today's video. If you guys hear anything, I have my dog in here with me. So yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, there he is. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start, I've been, you know, I love the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber Primer Water, but I found this under my sink, and it's from Bath & Body Works. It is Almond Milk Face and Body Refresher, and it's alcohol-free and hypoallergenic, and this is what I've been using as like my hydrating face spray. And I love it just gives like a nice like wide mist, and it smells like almond, which I absolutely love. Next, I'm gonna go in with my my a cut in half super ghetto pore filling primer, but I thought it was empty, and then I cut it in half and there was literally pore filler all up in here. So I was like, oh no, we're not gonna let this go to waste. So I'm just gonna dunk my finger in there, which is, you know, just make sure that if you have to be a little on the ghetto side like me with this, then you make sure your hands are clean before you dump in it. And I'm gonna put that right back in my nifty Tupperware. So I'm just gonna, as always, put this in my T-zone. If I'm looking to the side, it's because I have my mirror. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial since I was out on Christmas break, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film one today. Let's do my go-to powder foundation. So, as always, you should never put creams on top of powders. I think cream highlight might be the only like one word that you can maybe get away with, but you have to use, you know, extremely like light hand, you know, and a very fluffy brush. So I'm going to conceal first, and then I'm going to go in with my powder foundation. So for my concealer, I'm going to use two kinds. I'm going to use one that's more of a skin tone, like a color of my skin tone, to spot conceal, because I do have a breakout right here. I have one right here, and I have this one underneath my nose I've had since like Thanksgiving, and it comes and goes and comes and goes, and finally popped it. So hopefully she's done and has overstayed her welcome. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline, you can't even see it, but it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I'm going to spot conceal right here. And that's it. Maybe a little bit right here on my redness on my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush. This is the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. I love this for my concealer. I know Katie or Lustrelux, she uses this. I actually started using this brush for concealer when she started doing it, and I actually really like it. I just like, you know, the way that she does her makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna buff around the edges and leave the product fairly concentrated on the breakout. See? She gone. And just my redness. I don't know what is going on with my cheeks, but the tops of my cheeks, like on my actual cheekbones, are just so pink. And it's not like, oh, she's flushed. It's like, oh, girl, you red. And, you know, so. All right, there we go. Done. Next, oh my God. I've been loving this concealer, and I'm trying to get away from more like matte concealers for my under eye, because it's like since I turned 30, I need all the hydration under my eye. So, but this concealer is still working for me. I'm using the Urban Decay Stay, if you can see, there we go, Stay Naked Concealer. And I'm not going to go ham. I'm just going to do like a swipe down my nose a little bit. And as y'all know, on my upper lip, oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm going to redo my Botox and filler probably come March. Now, for for this step, I'm going to take my wet Real Techniques Eco Tools sponge that crew took a chomp out of. I'm just going to blend this all in very quickly. So how is everyone's New Year going? You know, I can't believe January felt like it had 175 million days. That's for sure. I was so over the month of January. It wasn't even funny. And it wasn't even a bad month. It was just had so many damn days. I was like, what the heck? But now we're in February, and I feel like February is going like that. I'm like, what the heck? Oh, do you guys like my new little blings? I'm like trying to like somewhat change up my, not change my style, but you know, make some changes to my look. So now I'm just going to go over my whole face with my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to make sure that those places where I spot concealed, that there's no, you know, no harsh lines, because ain't no one got time for harsh lines, okay? Nobody. There, concealed, easy peasy, right? Now I'm going to go in with my true, probably favorite under eye powder I've ever used in my entire life, and it is my e.l.f. HD powder, and it's in the shade Sheer. I opened it and it got all over my makeup vanity. So I'm just going to lightly, I have no idea where my Real Techniques setting brush is. Absolutely no idea. That bitch grew legs and she walked away. She was like, I'm done with you. So I am using a Sephora Pro Flawless Foundation brush. This is number 56. I'm just going to set that concealer under my eye and also on top of my eye. Don't forget to get your eyelids. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to love the way this powder makes my under eye look. This powder truly makes my under eye look glorious. All right. I know there is a boatload of powder foundations out there. A boatload. I love this powder foundation. It is the Tarte Amazonian, has it's upside down, Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation. I'm in the shade Light Beige. This is for light skin with pink undertones, as you can see. I have that natural rosiness. I have been using this for forever. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. This is my Real Techniques blush brush. It's not crazy fluffy. I mean, it's fluffier. I'm going to just do a nice coat. Now, all of those spot conceals are now getting set into place with this powder foundation. This just looks so nice. It just makes my skin, it kind of like mattifies my skin, and it just makes my skin tone look all one color. If my cheeks still look red because it's hot in my filming room. As y'all can see, the walls are still black in here. I'm so over it. So over it. But my undecisive self can't pick a color to paint in here to save my life. My husband's like, hi, can you pick a color so we can paint in there? Paint in your filming room? And I'm just like, I know, I can't pick one. I thought at first I wanted to do like a blush color in here, make it like super girly. But then I was like, no, I don't want a pink room. So I'm leaning more towards like a real exciting, like a taupe. See? Just my skin just looks nice and airbrushed. Ha 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 ha. Play on words there. You see how I did that? Alright, next I'm going to go in. You know, I love Tarte. I love their blushes. I'm going to go with the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Corky. It is such a pretty, like, there you go, peachy true. Ugh, peachy is just beautiful. I'm going to take my Jabanesque brush. I love this brush. I've been doing my blush before my bronzer. Compliments of that of Katie, Luster Lux. Love the way, like I said, I love the way she does her makeup. She inspires me. And she does her blush first, and I just love how it looks so effortless and just youthful. Now, I have been doing my blush a lot differently lately. I've been focusing it more on the apples of my cheeks as well as bringing it up towards my under eye a little bit because I feel like it's making me look younger. You know, aging? No, not going to happen here. No, thank you. And then just see, I love it. Oh, chatterbug's laying on the ground over there. And I just find that when I do my blush first, that my bronzer doesn't look as heavy. It looks much more natural because, I mean, I love blush. Hi, my name is Sarah Kramer. I'm addicted to blush. And I am A-okay with it. Thank you. I finally hit pan. I thought I would never see the day I would hit pan in this bronzer. This is hands down my favorite bronzer ever. There are great bronzers out there. This one, she still smells good. It is amazing. It is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade bronzer. It is just the perfect neutral tone bronzer. I'm going to take that same Javanese brush. I'm going to just dip on in, and I'm going to just bronze that up and around my face. And I did curl my hair, and as you all know, I'm not a fan of having my hair down while I do my makeup. And I'm just flicking that bronzer into my hairline. Oh, that's what I forgot to tell you guys. I'm doing a Biggest Loser challenge at work. Everyone's probably like, I mean, at work, everyone's like, why are you doing it? And I'm like, because here's why I'm doing it, all right? So even if I lose like a pound or like half a pound a week, I think making me go get, it's not making me, but me going and actually standing on a scale and seeing a number go down, because I don't own a scale here in my house. I don't. I'm always like, oh, I just want to see how my clothes fit. And then I get on a scale and I see the number and I'm like, oh, hell no. That's what happened at work. So I paid $20. First place winner is $200. Second place is $100. I think third place is like $50 or $60, something like that. So I'm doing the Biggest Loser challenge at work. And it started on Monday the 3rd, and it goes until May 1st. So it's 10 weeks. I have a goal set for myself of how much weight I would like to lose. I think I can do it. Actually, it's not I think. I know I can. I know I can. It's the power of at work, and this is actually something I'm like totally on board with. We always tell the kids it's like the power of yet, and it's not yet. I'm not yet where I want to be. I'm going to be where I want to be. Come May 1st. So now I'm just contouring out my nose. I'm actually not even going to contour my nose. I'm just going to hug this right in here, connect, and then just bring that down and around. You guys like, oh, awesome. A little double. I was going to contour my lip, but I'm like, no. Take that bronzer. See, isn't that just so stinking pretty? Who would have thunk to do your blush first? I was shook. I did it first and I was like, why haven't I done this the entire time? And of course, your girl has to have a drink. Diet Coke today, hello. I swear, one of these days, I'm going to get me a video sponsored by Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. I know I have like 5 subscribers, but hey, if you happen to see this video, because you know I'm going to tag you on Instagram, I have been drinking Diet Coke since I was probably, I'm not exaggerating, in like the 6th grade. So I was what, like 11, 12? Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend my blush and bronzer together. But yeah, Diet Coke, sponsor your girl. Info will be in the description bar. Shameless little plug there. You like that, everyone? You gotta hustle yourself. Oh. Next, some little highlighter. I'm gonna go in with, this is the Tarte again. Oh my gosh, this was not even planned. Holy shit. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Pro Glow To Go. I took this with me to this little palette with me to Mexico when my brother got married. So bomb. This bronzer color as well for contour. Girl, she bomb. I'm gonna take Gleam and Burst. I'm gonna mix the two together. I'm just gonna hit the tops of my cheekbones. So pretty. And it smells. Oh, sorry you guys. I said the F word on my channel. down my nose, Cupid's bow. She pretty. Let's do a little chin action, shall we? Oh my God, so bomb. So pretty. So stinking pretty. I just can't. Again, my brush, just because I don't want no harsh lines. Ain't nobody got time for that. No, no, no. All right. Face is done. That took me what? I think 7-8 minutes. So what I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to do my brows because that takes me 500 hours and I don't want to do that on camera. And I'm going to throw on some mascara and I'll be back. All right, everyone, I'm back. Obviously, brows are on. I have a little mascara on and I did line my lips. So for my brow, as you all know, I use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. Set it with my Ulta brand brow gel. I've been letting my brow gel sit a little bit before I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills like double-ended eyebrow brush, and it just helps give my lashes the most like, or not my lashes, my eyebrows the most like fluffy look. Mascara, or for my lashes I just curled, I use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and for lips, I think this is my favorite lip pencil besides my Ulta brand Flush. MAC Boldly Bare. It's that pretty. And for our list today, I want a glossy moment, so I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics So Cute. It is like a super, super nude gloss. I'm just going to put it in the center. You know, make my lips look nice and plump. So just... I'm just really concentrating it in the center. So pretty. It's like a, oh, it's like a good like neutral, like super, super nude. And I love it. And last but not least, as always, oh, I already set my makeup as well. I use, seriously, the absolute last bit of my Urban Decay All-Nighter. And yeah. There's my powder foundation makeup look. So as always, thank you so much for, coming and hanging out with me, and chit-chatting with me and wanting to hear about, the powder foundation. Oh my gosh, I can't talk, that I like to use, as well as some of my favorite go-to products as well as brands. And yeah, also, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video as well as leave your comments. And yeah, my Instagram is going to be in the description bar, Sarah K. Kramer, and I hope to see you all over there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!